Good morning, world. Time for another fantastic day. I wonder what I'm going to do today. I better go get dressed. There we go, all dressed. It smells like Ken's bacon and eggs. Yummy. I better go get some before it runs out. Morning, everyone. Good morning, Chelsea. Is there any bacon and eggs left, Ken? No, sorry, I ate the last piece. What? Stacy? Sorry, I thought you already had some because you're normally like an early riser. Well, my alarm went off late today. Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay, Chelsea. I'll make some more. It's okay. So what are your plans for today, Skipper? Well, I have a busy day today. I'm hanging out with some friends today. Ugh, you never hang out with me anymore, Skipper. We hung out yesterday on the 13th. That was lame. That was like boring because Friday the 13th was like unlucky. Oh, well, sorry, I'm busy today. Maybe some other time. Oh, okay. Stacy, can we hang out today? Well, no, sorry. I have a soccer game today, and then I'm going to go to Shakey's and hang out with some friends. Oh. Okay. Maybe tomorrow, right? Maybe. I have another game tomorrow. What? Why? Because it's a weekend tournament. Okay. I understand. Ken, can we hang out today? Sorry, I have work today, and then I'm taking Stacy to her soccer games. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow? Stacy has more soccer games. Okay. Barbie, please tell me you're not busy today. I would love to tell you I'm not busy, but I am busy today. I have work. Sorry. Ugh. I have no one to hang out with me today. Everyone's hanging out with their friends and... Wait, I have a friend, McKenna. Maybe she'll want to hang out today. I better go text her. Ugh, McKenna can't hang out with me, Stacy can't hang out with me, Skipper can't hang out with me, and Ken can't hang out with me, and neither can Barbie. This day is terrible. Barbie, you're back from work? Yep, I didn't have work today. I was looking at last year's schedule. Oh, okay. I decided I'm going to hang out with you today. Really? Yes. Yay, what are we going to do? Well, I saw a flyer for a cat show. A cat show? Yeah, I thought we could enter Brownie. Brownie? In a cat show? Really? Yeah, that would be fun. Let's go to the cat show. Wait, we're gonna need a couple things. We are? Yeah, Brownie, of course. A cat carrier, food, water, and some treats. Okay, I'll go grab that. Barbie, everything's loaded in the car. I grabbed everything. Great, let's go. Well, Chelsea, we're here. Yay, I'm so excited. My first cat show. So am I, Chelsea. I'm going to go check in Brownie. Can you go make sure he's settled in his cage? Sure. There we go. Brownie's all settled in his cage. I better go tell Barbie. Okay, Barbie, he's all settled in. Great. I'm really nervous for him. Why? I don't know. What if he doesn't win anything? Chelsea, it's his first show. Don't expect him to. Just have some fun. Okay. Cheer up, Chelsea. Why don't you go look at the other cats? Well, that does sound fun. Okay, I will. Well, time to go look at the other cats. Huh? McKenna? Chelsea, what are you doing here? I thought you were busy today. Well, I was. I was busy at the cat show. Why didn't you tell me? Because I didn't know you were going to the cat show. Oh, I was going to ask you if you wanted to come. Well, I didn't know you meant the cat show. I thought you meant, like, hang out or something. Oh, that's my bad. I should have said something. So, what's your cat's name? My cat's name is Petty. He's an orange Maine Coon. Really? My cat's name is Brownie. He's a brown Maine Coon. Really cool. Can I see him? Sure. Well, this is
Attention! Numbers between 114 and 120. Please report to Ring 3.
That's Petty's number. Okay, I'll go take him. Okay, I'm coming too. Chelsea, can you help me with Brownie? Oh, I guess I can't watch him. It's okay, I'll tell you how he does. Okay, good luck, Petty. There you are, Chelsea. Barbie, I wanted to watch my friend McKenna's cat. McKenna's here? Yeah, she entered a cat in the cat show. Oh, well, you need to help me clean Brownie's cage. Okay. There you go. Cage is all clean. I'm gonna go see how Petty and McKenna are doing.
Chelsea? Oh, McKenna, I was just about to check on you and Petty. It's okay, he did great. He won second place. Really? Cool. Can I go see Brownie now? Sure thing.
Well, this is Brownie. Oh, he's so cute, Chelsea. Thanks. He's so adorable I can just eat him up. Well, his name is Brownie. Aw, who's a good boy, Brownie? You're so cute. I hope you win. Well, now what do you want to do, McKenna? I don't know. Petty already went up, so we're just waiting for Brownie. When do you think he'll go up? Probably any second now. Hey, Chelsea. Hey, McKenna. Hey, Barbie. Chelsea, I think Brownie just got called. He did? Yeah, he's in ring 2. Okay. Well, he's going up. Do you think he's doing good? Yeah, it looks like it. The judge seems to like him. Well, looks like he's all done. Okay, I'll go get him from his cage. Wait, the judge is giving him his ribbon. His ribbon? Yeah, he gets a prize. What? First place? Your cat won, Chelsea. Congratulations. Thanks. And he won Best of Color. That's great, Chelsea. I'm going to go get him from his cage. Hey, Chelsea. Hey, McKenna. How did Brownie do? He did great, Barbie. He won first place. No way. Yes way. I'm so proud of him, Chelsea. So am I. I'm so happy Brownie won. I'm happy too, Chelsea. This is the best day ever.